Hi students, I hope you are doing good. Welcome back to my channel after a long time. In this video, the visualization of mine will not be available since I am doing this video in my own residence, and I will be solving out the problem in the notebook. So due to all these issues, all these problems, the visualization of your teacher is not going to be available. Please focus on the audio and the related video of the sum. Okay, so here today in this chapter we are going to learn about chapter 12, that is areas related to circle. Now when we are coming to know about circle, the topic circle, then a figure comes in our brain, right? A figure comes in our brain, and what does the figure says? Figure says something like that. So here, what does the question says? Question number 1 says the radii of the two circles are 19 centimeter and 9 centimeter respectively. Find the radius of the circle which has circumference equal to the sum of the circumference of the two circles. That means two circles are there, one circle, again another circle. These are the two circles. As you know, this is the center of the circle and this is called the radius of the circle. This is the center of the circle and this is the radius of the circle. Now this is R1, we can take as R1, and this radius we can take as R2. Now these two radius are given here. What is given? One is 19 centimeter and another is 9 centimeter. Done. Now the question says that there is another circle. Whose radius, we have to find out the radius of this circle. The condition is given like that. Find the radius of the circle which has a circumference equal to the sum of the circumference of the two circles. That means the circumference of this circle is equal to the circumference of this circle plus circumference of this circle. Done. We can say this one as the first circle, this one as the second circle. Okay, so circumference, this is the new circle. So circumference of first circle plus circumference of second circle is equal to circumference of the new circle. And what is the formula of circumference of a circle? Circumference of a circle formula is 2 pi r. Circumference of a circle formula is 2 pi r. R means radius. So here radius R1, that is circumference radius of first circle, that is 19 centimeter. R2, radius of second circle, that is 9 centimeter. Given 19 centimeter, 9 centimeter, 19 centimeter, 9 centimeter. Now R, radius of new circle, that is we have to find out. So according to question, what does the question says? According to question, find the radius of the circle, that is the new circle, which has circumference equal to the sum of the circumference of the two circles. This one circumference of new circle is equal to circumference of first circle plus circumference of second circle. So let's do it. Circumference of new circle is equal to circumference of first circle plus circumference of second circle. Done. Now circumference of the new circle formula is same for every circle, that is 2 pi r. Now here 3 circles are there, so radius will change. So 2 pi r 2 pi r, radius for the new circle, it is r, we have taken as r, is equal to circumference of the first circle, that is 2 pi r1, 2 pi r1, and circumference of the second circle, that is 2 pi r2. We can see that here 2 pi is common, so we can take 2 pi as common. Then what is remaining here? 2 pi common taken, r1 is remaining, 2 pi is common taken, r2 is remaining. This 2 pi cancel. Now let's see, r is equal to r1 plus r2. R is equal to r1, it is 19 centimeter, plus r2, it is 9 centimeter. 19 plus 9, how much? 19 plus 9 is 28 centimeter. So that is the radius. This r stands for radius of the new circle. So that is the radius which is asked to find out in the question. So this is how we are going to solve. Again, let's see what does the question say. Question said that radii of the two circles are 19 centimeter and 9 centimeter. Find the radius of the circle which has circumference equal to the sum of the circumference of the two circles. So this is the first circle r1 with the radius r1 and the second circle with the radius r2. Radius are given, r1 is 19 centimeter and r2 is 9 centimeter. So we have taken another circle, that is a new circle whose radius we have to find out. So r is the radius of the new circle whose radius we have to find out. So according to the condition given in the question, that is circumference of the new circle is equal to circumference of first circle plus circumference of second circle. Circumference formula is 2 pi r. Now it is about new circle, so 2 pi, new circle radius, it is r, so r. Now circumference of the first circle, 2 pi, radius of the first circle is r1, so r1, plus circumference of second circle radius is r2, so r2. 2 pi r, 2 pi is common, so r1 plus r2. 2 pi cancel, r equal to r1 plus r2. r1 and r2 value we have entered here, and we got 19 plus 9, it is 28 centimeter. I hope it is clear. Let's see the next question. Now here second question says the radii of two circles are 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter respectively. Radii of the two circles, that is the first circle and the second circle, radius of these two circles are given. One is 8 centimeter and another is 6 centimeter. Let us name it, this one as r1, this one as r2. This is first circle, this is second circle. Done. Now again what says, radii of the two circles are 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter respectively. Find the radius of the circle having an area equal to the sum of the areas of the two circles. Now it is somehow relevant with the previous sum. Now in the previous sum it has been said about circumference, but here it is said about the area. This is the first circle, second circle, and this is the new circle. So area of first circle plus area of second circle is equal to area of the new circle. This is what it is said. Find the radius of the circle having an area equal to the sum of the areas of the two circles. We have to find out the area of such a circle whose area, we have to find out the radius of such a circle whose area is equal to the sum of the area of first circle plus second circle. Okay, so here r1, here r1 is radius of first circle, that is given 8 centimeter. r2, that is the radius of second circle, whose radius is given as 16 centimeter. Now we have to find out the radius r, that is the radius of new circle. We have to find out this radius. Okay. Now what is the condition given in the sum? The condition is given that area of new circle is equal to area of first circle plus area of second circle. Area of the new circle. Area of the circle formula is pi r square. Remember, my dear students, area of the circle formula is pi r square. So area of the new circle or first circle, second circle formula is same, pi r square. Only the thing is radius is going to change because there are different circles here. New circle radius is r, so pi r square is equal to area of first circle, pi, first circle radius is r1, so r1 square, plus area of the second circle, pi r2 square. Now here we can see one thing, that here pi is common, so pi common taken, r1 square plus pi common taken, r2 square. Pi cancel. Now this radius square is equal to r1 square, and r1 value is given how much? R1 value is given 8 centimeter, okay, and r2 value is given 6 centimeter. So let us enter here, r1 8 centimeter square plus r2 it is 6 centimeter square. So r square is equal to 8 square is 64 centimeter square plus 6 square is 36 centimeter square. 64 plus 36 it is 100 centimeter square. So r equal to this square will become square root. This square r square, this square will become square root in the right hand side. So square becoming square root of 100 centimeter square. 100 means we can write down 10 times 100. Yes or no? So 10 times 100 centimeter square. So pairing done inside the square root, 10 pair, so 110 will come out, centimeter square centimeter. So this is the radius of the new circle, that is 10 centimeter. Okay, radius of the new circle, that is 10 centimeter. I hope it is clear. Let's revise it once again. Radius of the first circle is given 8 centimeter. Radius of second circle is given 6 centimeter. We are asked to find out the radius of a new circle whose area is equal to the sum of the area of first circle plus area of the second circle. So these are the language written here. So according to the question, area of the new circle is equal to area of first circle plus area of second circle. So area of the new circle, pi r square, r is the radius of the new circle, pi r1 square, that is the radius of the first circle, and pi r2 square, that is r2 is the radius of second circle. So pi common taken, r1 square plus pi common taken, r2 square. Pi cancel, r square equal to, in place of r1 8 centimeter substituted, in place of r2 6 centimeter substituted. Taken the square of both of them, getting 64 and 36 centimeter square. Adding both, getting 100 centimeter square. Now this square coming to right hand side becoming square root. Okay, so square becoming square root, then pure a factor of 100 taken out, 10 times 100, 10 will come out of the square root and centimeter will come out, so r equal to 10 centimeter. This is the radius of the new circle which is asked to find out. Let's see the question number 4. So here the question is little different here. The wheels of a car are of diameter 80 centimeter each. Wheels of a car are of diameter 80 centimeter each. This is the wheel of a car, and this wheel, the diameter is given, the entire it is the diameter. The diameter is given 80 centimeter each. We have to know the radius, and this is the radius. The radius we will be coming to know. Diameter of the wheel is given. Diameter of wheel is given 80 centimeter. We will find out the radius of the wheel. Radius of wheel, as you know, diameter divided by 2. 80 centimeter divided by 2, we are getting 40 centimeter. That is the radius of the wheel of the car. Now, what said? How many complete revolution does each wheel make in 10 minutes when the car is traveling at a speed of 66 km per hour? That means, in this speed, the car is traveling, and in 10 minutes, the wheels are going to rotate how many times? The wheel is going to rotate how many times? Okay, the revolution, the number of complete revolution we have to find out. Now remember students, one time revolving, if the wheel is revolving one time completely, that is the circumference of the circle. That is the circumference of the circle. One time if it is completely revolving, that is the circumference of the circle. Okay, so total distance divided by one time, that is the circumference of the circle, if we do, then we will get the number of revolution. Number of revolution. That means from your house to your friend house, just for an example, okay, from your house, this is your house and this is your friend's house. Okay, now total you are walking from here to here, again here to here, here to here, here to here. One time if you are traveling from your house to your friend's house, you are traveling 10 meters, just say. One time if you are traveling, then you are traveling 10 meters of the distance. Okay, now total you have traveled 200 meters. You were traveling from morning you are traveling from your house to your friend's house, again back from your friend's house to your house, like that. Okay, so like that you have you have covered 200 meters of the distance. 200 meters of the distance. Now can you say me how many times you have walked this path? How many times? Total distance, how much you have traveled here? 200 meters. One time traveling this path, how much is the distance? 10 meters. If you divide it, then 10, 20, 100, 200. 10, 20, 200. That means 20 times you have traveled this path. 20 times you have traveled this path. So this is 200 is the total distance and 10 meter is the one time distance. 10 meter is the one time distance, right? So in the same way here also we are going to do total distance. We will find out total distance divided by one time the distance covered by the wheel, that is circumference of the circle. One time if it is covering, since it is in the circular shape, so that is called as circumference. One time covering, that is called circumference. So number of revolution is equal to distance, total distance divided by circumference of wheel. Okay, now total distance, here you see in the question, this is a speed given and this is a time given, right? And we know distance formula, speed into time. Distance equal to speed into time. Now so we are going to use this formula here. Distance formula, speed into time. Speed into time by circumference of the wheel, that is 2 pi r. 2 pi r. So speed, it is 66 km per hour. 66 km per hour into time, that is given 10 minutes. Time is given how much? 10 minutes. Divided by 2 pi, it is 22 by 7, and the radius of the wheel, that is 40 centimeter. Now see here, 66 km per hour into 10 minute it is given. We have to convert this minute in hour. So 10 divided by 60, it is becoming hour, by 2 into 22 by 7 into 40 centimeter. Since this is centimeter, we have to convert this kilometer also in centimeter, that we have to convert it in the next step. So here you see hour cancel, 0 0 cancel, 6 11 ja 66. In the numerator 11 is there, in that here the 7 will go up, 7, and remaining 2 into 22 into 40. Here it is centimeter, in the numerator it is kilometer. We have to convert kilometer into centimeter. So kilometer into centimeter, 1000 meter makes 1 kilometer and 100 centimeter makes 1 meter. So 1000 meter makes 1 kilometer, and that meter converting to centimeter is into 100. I hope it is clear. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. Again, this 1000 into meter, we have to convert it in centimeter, so 100 centimeter. So this is what I have written in place of kilometer, 1000 into 100 centimeter. I hope it is clear. Centimeter, centimeter, it is cancel. 11 2 ja 22, 0 0 cancel, 2 5 ja 10, 4 25 ja 100, 1 0, 2 125. Now let's multiply. 125 into 5, 625. 625 into 7. Let's multiply and get the answer. 7 5 ja 35. Canyon 3, 7 2 ja 14, 15 16 17. Canyon 1, 7 6 ja 42 plus 1 43. 4375 revolution. This is the number of revolutions. Okay. Now again let's revise it. Diameter of the wheel is given 80 centimeter. We got the radius of the wheel, that is 80 centimeter divided by 2, that is 40 centimeter. Done. Now number of revolution, total distance divided by circumference. As I said, the total distance in 10 minutes. Total distance in 10 minutes with this speed. Okay. So total distance divided by circumference of the wheel. Circumference means one time. One time going, how much is the distance covered? That one we are going to divide to the total distance. Total distance in 10 minutes divided by one time, how much distance it is covering. If we divide it, we are going to get number of revolution of the wheel. Okay, how many times it is revolved? One time revolving, this much. Then to reach that much, how many times it has to revolve. So if we do divide, we are going to get the answer. Total distance in 10 minutes divided by circumference of the wheel, that is one time revolution. So total distance, since the speed and the time is given, so total distance, speed into time, we are using the formula, and circumference of the wheel, that is 2 pi r. Speed, it is given 66 km per hour into time, that is given 10 minutes. 66 km per hour, and 10 minutes we are converting in hour, so divided by 60 becoming hour, by 2, 22 by 7, 40 centimeter hour. 0 0 cancel, 6 11 just 66, 11 this kilometer converting the, okay, 11, this 7 going upside into 7, denominator 2 into 22 into 40, 2 into 22 into 40, centimeter is the centimeter. This kilometer we have converted to centimeter. So 1 kilometer makes 1000 meter, and meter for meter we can write 100 centimeter. So for 1 kilometer we can write 1000 into 100, 1000 into 100 centimeter. So centimeter centimeter cancel, and this cancellation process done, and we got here the answer, that is 4375 revolution. So this is about 12.1 how to solve out the sums. Now in the next video we are going to come out with 12.2, and in that exercise we are going to learn many new things you are going to learn, which you might not have learned about those topics in your previous classes, also in your previous standards also. You might not have heard about all those, so we are going to learn about that. So in the next video, which I will be uploading very shortly, so please revise this 12.1 thoroughly and be ready for the next video. Stay tuned, be at home, stay safe. It's Nirmal Roy signing off.